I'm Ro, your Wholesome Beauty Expert here at Wholesome Beauty, where we enhance your natural beauty with our natural products. And today we're going to talk about our Chibi Diffusers in the scent Matcha Mochi. So our Chibi Diffusers are actually an oil-based diffuser that you can hang in your car, a small closet, or a small bathroom. The great thing I love about our new Chibi Diffusers that they come with this adjustable strap. You can hang it anywhere. When you receive your Chibi Diffuser, they come in these cute packages, and on the back it has steps 1, 2, and 3. Once you've taken it out of the package, we're going to go to step 1. So we're going to go ahead and unscrew our cap, and on the top has a plastic little stopper. Step 2, we're going to remove it. So when removing your stopper, be very careful. Using a sharp object, knife, or scissors, you can easily remove your stopper. And now that our stopper is out, we're going to go ahead and put the cap back on for a wooden top. And here's the trick. Step 3, you're going to do a flip-flop. 1, 2, 3 seconds. Flip back, and you can see how the oil is already diffusing. And for a burst of portable happiness, you can hang it in your car, your closet, or your bathroom. And the great thing about oil diffusers, they do diffuse at a very slow rate, so they do last 6 to 8 weeks in your favorite spots. Thank you for shopping Lemon Box Beauty, your perspectives inside.